2014 13 BMW what is this, M5? Well, we had intermittent misfire on cylinder number 5. So this wire right here is the signal wire for the coil pack. This one is power and this one's constant ground. So the vehicle's off, keys off. We should have ground here, or ground signal from the power, since the power is off, constant ground here, and we should have nothing here, which we do. So what I did was I swapped this computer from that one to confirm our problem. So let me swap this one back. These computers are the same part number, so they're interchangeable. And I didn't turn the key on because they're programmed differently and you don't want to turn the key on. But I just wanted to confirm the diagnosis. So this is the original Bank 1 PCM. So I'm plugging it back in. These computers are also water cooled, which is pretty crazy. Now, we're going to have a ground signal on that wire, which we're not supposed to have. Ground. So the computer is internally shorting to ground. And you can almost see the signal is weaker than the rest. So it's not a perfect ground. Pretty cool find.